Okay, we've got event 26 and we're up and running for the boys. Under 10 4x200 metre relay final. In lane 1 we've got Camberwell, Malvern. In lane 2 Geelong. Lane 3 Geelong 18. In lane 4 Keilor 18. In lane 5 Williamstown 18. Lane 6 Sandringham 18. Lane 7 Knox 18. And lane 8 Doncaster 18. Now as the second runners come through to pick up the third runners. You can see waiting with some nervousness and the boys are cheering them on. Let's see who comes through here. In lane 6 we've got Sandringham, I think, going to change. It's very close. Lane 6 and then we've got Sandringham. No, we've got Keilor first, then Geelong, then Sandringham, then what looks to be Knox. So it looks like it's going to be a great race up the top as we pick him up on the back straight. And Keilor out in front, long strides now, just coasting as he gets that baton to his runner. And as we go, pushing through really hard, it's a great race here for first and second. Gold and silver is going to be up to whoever has the legs to make it happen. The crowd is getting behind Keilor and Geelong. Let's see who's going to take this. Looks like Keilor could hold on. If he doesn't fall over, that's just giving it everything. Keilor gave a great race there, and Geelong coming through second, with Sandringham coming through in third position for the bronze. That was a great race from the boys.